This is the story of a bedroom floor once forgotten, now reborn. In a space defined by disrepair, where broken furniture, scattered debris, and dust-covered concrete floors told a story of neglect, a transformation was about to begin. The room was shrouded in a cold blue light that cast long, deep shadows across the cracked walls, setting a somber and abandoned scene. With determined purpose, a team of skilled workers entered, their tools in hand, ready to bring new life to the decaying space. They moved with natural efficiency, first clearing away the heavy debris and lifting the remnants of broken furniture. As they swept away years of accumulated dust, the first signs of change emerged from beneath the neglect. The crew then proceeded with a deep cleaning, meticulously wiping down the walls and preparing the surfaces for their renewal. As the grime disappeared, the cold blue light softened, transitioning into a neutral, more hopeful tone that signaled the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. The real artistry began with the floor grinding. Sparks flew and dust clouds rose as powerful machines smoothed the rough, uneven concrete, sculpting a perfect canvas. Once the surface was pristine, the magic truly unfolded. A river of metallic epoxy, rich with pigments of deep blue, charcoal, silver, and shimmering gold, was poured across the floor. Guided by rollers, the colors swirled and blended together, creating an intricate, marble-like pattern that was entirely unique. The epoxy settled, self-leveling into a flawless, glossy finish that mirrored the light with breathtaking clarity. The workers quietly exited, their job complete. They left behind not just a renovated room, but a sanctuary. The once abandoned bedroom was now a luxurious space, defined by its stunning, reflective floor, a testament to how vision and craftsmanship can turn decay into dazzling beauty. This is not just renovation, it is a revival.